Desmond Show.
Now, score the ball! Oh my God! Why am I paying for you?
Easy. It's not like you're paying them.
Can you see that now? Now, pass the other side. No! Kick the ball over! Yes!
It's only a game.
Yes!
Relax.
Go. Oh my God! Oh my God! What?
You should see yourself right now. You're the one paying these guys.
It's okay, just... Now, let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Go! 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 Oh my God! You missed that again? Ref, can't you see that? Can't you see that? Yes.
Hey,
Oh. Are you serious? Then pass the ball to him. Pass the ball to him. Yes. I bought it for 6 months. You are not delivering. Oh my God. Ah. No. That is the game I'm talking about. Not delivery. Are you serious? Now, pass to him. Like this. Then the other way. Then move like this. Move like this. Pass. Not the ball. Give the ball. Go this way. That way.
Hey,
then pass the ball.
we have one here. We're gonna have a party in here. I don't know what you're gonna do.
Oh, can't you see I'm watching ball? Can't you see what I'm doing? I'm watching ball now. I'm crying out loud. Can you say the ref will not say anything to that? He will not say anything to that. See, you see? Yes. Just correct. Just move ahead. Oh my God, that's not good, man. What's happening here? Give me the ball. Jump. Go this way. That way. Now. Okay. To the other side. Give me the ball. Oh. Go. Oh my God.
Hey! Look, I'm not having this anymore. If you knew that you're going to have my time, why did you invite me over? I'm trying to get your attention now and you're screaming, go, why?
Can't you see I'm watching ball?
Okay, can't you see I've been trying to get your attention? What is this?
What's this?
Baby, I'm not having this anymore, like...
Go! That is what I'm saying! Go! Thank you! I said it! Go! That is what I'm saying! I know you can do it! Yes! Beautiful goal! Baby, you're eating already. Where's my food now? Oh, my food is in the kitchen. Let me go and have it. Baby, there's no food in the kitchen now. Oh, I know you want us to eat together. Let me go and wash my hand. That's my baby. My baby can be so romantic. She wants us to be together so we can be doing take it. Oh my God. Only the chicken alone. This chicken can change somebody's destiny, you know. Go! I'm not watching your magic game. Go!
Double one love for the body. And the owner of them body. Double one love for the body. I beg no stop our food and enjoy. And the owner of them body. But tell you the day they hate me when I dey hustle for my money.
MC Desmond.